So a very warm welcome to everyone. Okay. The first question which I'm going to ask you, what is data? What is data? Any idea, guys? Whoever knows already working on in IT industry, can anybody let me know what is data?
It is a set of information called data.
Okay. What about others? Guys, be interactive. Okay. It's not like I'm not a school teacher or something. Okay. So be interactive, be talk to me. Okay. What do you mean by data? Okay, Praveen is saying data is a information. What about others? Very simple, okay? So data is nothing but a collection of words. Okay, data is collection of words. Okay, data is collection of words. Second thing is, what is information? Okay, we'll talk about in detail. Just I'm making you to understand very basic. Okay, information is nothing but a collection of meaningful words. Meaningful words. Okay, data, it can be any form, but when it comes to information, it should be in a meaningful form. Now let me get into very simple way. Okay, how many people know business, guys? How many people know business? Can anybody tell me what is business, guys? Everyone, what is business?
Business is nothing but selling some products to the customers
Okay,
and
great.
giving services.
Exactly. Okay, see, business is nothing but a buying and buying as well as selling. And if you are in IT industry, you are providing the services to the rest of the companies. Okay. Now very simple. Okay, it's nothing but a buying and selling. Buying plus selling. Okay. Now I'll give you very simple thing. Okay. One example, then we'll talk about same thing with the ETL part. Okay. So today, okay, let's take it up any one of your case. Okay. Like consider it Ramakrishna. Okay. Ramakrishna, he started his business. Okay. His business. Are you with me, everyone? Say yes or no in the chat. Ramakrishna, he started his business with 1 lakh, not 1 lakh. Let's consider it 1 crore, 1 crore rupees. Okay, 1 crore rupees. So 1 crore rupees. Now, what kind of business he started? I'll make it as a story. Then you will understand what exactly which I'm talking. 1 crore rupees. Okay, let's understand. He started a retail store. Okay, retail store. Okay, it's kind of retail store which contains okay, which is going to sell. Okay, which is going to sell. Okay, and buy. Okay, which is going to sell, buy. What are the things which they are going to buy? Okay, let's understand clothing business only, not with the any other business. Okay, it will take more time to explain me. Okay, then you can go with the clothing business. Okay, now try to understand first time what he has done. He went ahead and he started with one store. Okay, one store. Okay, let's understand here. You started your business in 1990s. Okay, Ramakrishna started his business in 1990s. So at the time, the computers are not much in picture. Okay, usually, okay, what are the things? So for example, Ramakrishna bought, okay, Ramakrishna bought 1 crore 90 lakhs cloths. Okay, try to make it. Okay, 90 lakhs cloths. Okay, remaining 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs. What he has done, he kept as a store. Okay, he kept a store. Okay, plus labor. Okay, and other expenses. Okay, now, once you have done this, right? Now, what he has done, he kept it very nicely and he sold out whatever he purchased, right? He sold out to customers. Okay, he sold out to customers. What he sold, all the cloths he sold out to customers. Now, what is the profit which he got it? Okay, so he got it 1 crore 50 lakhs. Okay, 1.5 crore. Okay, simply 1.5 crore which he got it. Are you with me, everyone? Now, what is the profit, guys, here? Everyone, what is the profit? Guys, what is the
60 lakhs.
profit?
50 lakhs.
50 lakhs. Okay, 50 lakhs. Okay, how can you calculate it? Very simple. Okay, very simple. In a simple way, what you can do here, if I can take it up here, okay, 90 lakhs is the what you purchased it. Okay, what you bought it. Okay, and 10 lakhs is the expenses. 10 lakhs is the expenses. Okay, 10 lakhs is the 10 lakh is the expenses. Okay, 10 lakhs expenses. Now here, what you sold, okay, whatever you sold, nothing but a 1 crore 50, 1 crore 50 lakhs. Okay, it's nothing but if you do minus, automatically you are going to get the profit or loss. Here we got the profit. How did you calculate this particular thing? Okay, in the olden days, okay, we don't have a laptops, we don't have a computers, okay, we don't have any system which we can give it to you very quickly to answer you. Okay, so nowadays AI is there, every question, even small things also you can answer it. But here, what is happening, right? There is a ledger. Exactly, there is a ledger. So when it comes to ledger, nothing but they are going to maintain in books. Are you with me? They are going to maintain in books, nothing but a accounting books. This is called as ledger. Okay, whatever, accounting books. So suppose, for example, if you wanted to calculate it, okay, now if you wanted to calculate it, this even 50 lakh profit also, overall business, okay, it will take more time, right? Am I right, everyone? It will take more time, right? It will take more time to read the accounting books. Okay, accounting books. And other than that, it will take more, okay, time as well as more effort, right? Okay, more effort. Now try to understand here one more simple example. So when you are having this scenario, okay, more effort, and for example, okay, for example, let's take it up here. Okay, you got 50 lakh profit. Okay, you got 50 lakh profit. Just I'm explaining very basic example. Going further, we'll explain 50 lakh profit. Then what is the next thing which you are going to do? Everyone, what is the next thing which you are going to do by default? I'm recording, Ramakrishna. Okay, let's not do that from your end. Okay, what is the next thing which you are going to do? Guys, what is the next thing? Are you going ahead and are you going to do couple of things? What is that couple of things which you are going to do? Will you expand your business? Yes. Will you expand your
Yes.
business? And another thing is, okay, another thing, what you can do, okay, you are going to expand your business. Next thing, what you are going to do, other than that, you are going to expand your business because you are getting profits. Now try to understand. Okay, you got profits and now you made it another 20 stores you have started. 20 stores you have started. Okay, try to understand in a simpler way. Now, if even I'm getting 20 stores also, I should maintain the books, right? Guys, I should maintain the books, right? If I wanted to calculate, okay, overall profit, overall organization level, nothing but here consider it's a very DMart kind of stuff. Okay, I have to maintain books. Now I'm asking people, okay, can you give me the profit or loss every day? What they have to do? 15 accounts people, okay, 15 members, which they are going, 20 members, which they are going to maintain here. 20 stores, right? 20 accountants will be there. Okay, what they are going to do? Okay, they are going ahead and they are going to calculate everything. And finally, what they can do? they are going to provide their business level profit or loss. Okay, at store level, 20 store level. Now, here, what is the difficulty which you are going to face, guys? What is the difficulty, guys? What is the difficulty which you are going to face? So first thing is, accounting calculation is going to take time. Okay, it's nothing but a more time, more effort is needed. More time, more effort is needed. For example, okay, now you went to DMart. I'll give you an example. Now you went to DMart. Okay, now you have around 200 people or 300 people which they are present at the where. Let's understand 1,000 people came into DMart suddenly. Okay, not suddenly. If you go Saturday, Sunday, every time what it is going to happen, more than 1,000 people which they are available in the DMart. Now, for example, okay, here, if you are doing it manually, accounting books, what is the issue which you are going to face, guys? What is the issue which you are going to face? One is time as well as more effort. At the same time, okay, now trend is moving on towards the customers. So if you go to DMart, okay, if you go to DMart, let's take it up DMart, a very simple example, everybody aware of it. Okay, or any retail store. If you go to DMart, for example, 1,000 people came. Okay, 1,000 people came. Now, while you are selling, right, here, in this case, what you are doing, you are maintaining the books, all the bills as well as bills. Okay, whatever you are purchasing, you are keeping into books as well as whatever you are selling, you are doing in books. Okay, now try to understand. You have DMart. Okay, 1,000 people visited your DMart. Okay, try to understand here. Okay, 1,000 people, they bought it, 5 items. Okay, let's understand 50 items, each one bought it. Okay, now if you are trying to do manually, if you try to bill it, okay, manually bill it. How many people know if you go to clothing store, they are going to give it in writing in books. Okay, they are going to write it in book. And then after that, they are going to give it to you, the bill. Okay, how many people experienced? Guys, say yes or no in the chat. How many people experienced? If you are going some cloth store or some other place, okay, how many people experienced? I think most of the guys, okay. So most of the guys experienced when it comes to, they are going to do it manually. But here in this case, okay, now 1,000 people, for example, each transaction it is taking how much time? Just try to understand. It is taking 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Now, just not 1 minute, let's understand 5 minutes, just off minute. Okay, off minute. Here you can understand. Now, if it is taking half minute, okay, how many people are there? 1,000 into 50, 50,000 items which you have to sell it out. Okay, so how much time it will take? Around 25,000 minutes, which is going to take. Are you with me? 25,000. If you are calculating in hours, which is going to take more time, the customer, will he wait? Guys, customer, he will wait for you to bill it that much time. What is going to happen? Tell me. Guys, everyone, what is going to happen in this case? Guys, are we going to lose the business? Customer will leave from us. Everyone, customer will leave from our business.
Yes.
So in this case, what we are going to do? First, we'll order, boss, we need a software, okay, which is going to, first thing, what we're going to do, being a businessman, okay, what I'll do, I will order, I'll call to the IT guys, okay, I will order, okay, I will order a software. What it does, okay, it is going ahead and it is going to do the billing. Okay, so in software industry, okay, when you are doing this, okay, who are going to involve? Basically, okay, project management team, which is going to involve, okay, project management, they are going to take all the requirements from business, they are going to have a meetings. Okay, once they take it up, majorly the roles which is associated with it, right? Okay, at IT industry, there are three people which they are going to contribute majority of the things. One is who? Admin guy, nothing but a admin. Admin is nothing but a who's going to provide the infrastructure. When I say infrastructure, laptop, operating system, servers, everything these guys going to provide. Okay, who's that? Admin guys. Okay, infrastructure. Infrastructure is not related to regular infrastructure, IT infrastructure. When I say IT infrastructure, which is going to related to software as well as servers and other things which they are going to provide. These are the guys who's going to provide. Next people is nothing but a developers. Okay, developers. What these guys do? Okay, now project management brought all the requirements, right? For example, they wanted a building software. So what these guys do, they are going to understand that and they are going to translate into technically. Okay, nothing but a whatever they have told us, okay, building software, these guys will build that, nothing but a build or implement it. Are you with me, everyone? They are going to implement it. They are going to provide the building software. Okay, building software. Now, who are the next one? Guys, who are the next one? Are you excited to
Testers.
see that? Who's
Testers.
that? Testers. Okay. We cannot call as a testers. We'll see as a quality engineers. Okay, quality engineers. Let's take it up. Quality engineers. Okay, QA or quality engineers. Okay, I would recommend you to use quality engineering. Okay, so here, what these guys will do? Anybody have any idea? Guys, anybody have any idea?
Whether a built application is properly working as per
So
the requirement.
simple, right? So yeah, quality of the product, which they are going to check it out. So simple, which I can say, okay, requirements given by business people. Okay, requirements given by business people. Okay, these guys, what they do, according to the requirements, application is built or not. Okay, application is built or not. Okay, so they are going to test it out, nothing but they are going to verify, they are going to validate it, everything according to the requirements. Are you clear? Are you clear? Now where you are belonging to? Now you tell me which role you are choosing and what is the importance of this role. You understand one thing, let me give you the scenario. People will think it's kind of a testing is a like, you know, secondary grade kind of job. People will think, but try to understand this particular job is having very, very good qualities. If you can perform well, okay, this job is like a, you know, let me give you one more example. Okay, now here, are you understand about the roles? Everybody clear on the roles? Say yes or no in the chat. I wanted to hear from you guys. Everybody clear? Okay, good to hear. Okay, now, okay, when it comes to this, right? Now, what is the importance of quality engineer role? Okay, let me give you one example. Okay, you have put on, see, first, for example, if I take it up here, okay, requirements gathered by whom? Requirements is gathered by business people. Okay, requirements gathered. Okay, requirements gathered, business folks, nothing but a project manager, business folks and project management team. Okay, project management team. Here, try to understand very, very important thing is, okay, very, very important thing is, once you understand, right, this gathered by these guys, okay, and once you gather it and done everything, developer is done everything, okay, developer is also implemented. Okay, but developer is implemented with two defects. Okay, we'll talk about this later. What do you mean by defect? Okay, defect is nothing but a expected versus actual, expected versus actual. So once you see, right, developer is implemented with two defects. But for example, okay, if you are going with the developer and quality engineer is not good, okay, nothing but a tester is not good, okay, tester is not good, okay, not good, and he didn't validate these two defects. Okay, these two defects are leaked. Okay, Nothing but these defects are went to production. Okay, let me give you how costly it is. Okay, now you have built ATM application. Okay, just try to understand ATM application. Okay, ATM application. Once you build the ATM application, okay, what is happening here? Okay, if I enter the bug cost, okay, try to understand. If I enter the 1,000 rupees, okay, 1,000 rupees, but it is delivering, okay, it is delivering the 10,000, 10,000. Okay, what is going to happen, guys, in this case? Tell me, guys, what is going to happen? But it is debiting, your account is debiting, okay, only 1,000 rupees in the system. How much costly defect it is? Why don't I be there, sir, in that ATM? Okay, I can go ahead and do 10,000 debit. I can withdraw 10,000. I can get 1 lakh. I'll be happy for the day, and I'm going to enjoy it. Okay. So tell me how much costly it is, guys. Is it very costly in terms of experiencing the things? So it's very costly. So this is where, if you are being a tester, you have to have a very good responsibility, and you are the one who is going to be deciding the project success or failure. Success or failure. Are you with me? If you perform well, your entire project will be done properly. Okay. So this is the one thing. Okay, now are you understanding? What do you mean by admin? What do you mean by developers? What do you mean by quality engineer? Nothing but a tester. Now, as part of ETL, okay, as part of ETL. Now, what is the important thing which you are going to work on? Try to understand. Now, you have a 20 stores. Now, you have a 20 stores still. 1 minute, guys. Guys, you have a 20 stores still. Okay, with 20 stores, what you wanted? Okay, you want faster billing. Okay, nothing but the application is built. Application is built, and you are getting more customers. Okay, because of this billing, it is not going to take even 1 second for single transaction. Now you are able to do the billing. Okay, now every billing transaction, okay, behind the scenes, okay, every billing transaction behind the scenes, what is going to happen? What is going to happen, guys? Guys, every billing transaction, what is going to happen? You have to store that data, right? Everyone, you have to store the data. You have to store the data. Are you with me? If you wanted to store the data in application, any application, behind the scenes database which is going to be available. Are you with me? Behind the scenes database which is going to be available. Now second thing, okay, you have built the application, you have done billing transaction. Now you wanted to go ahead and you wanted to do what you wanted to do. Okay, now you wanted to understand your business, okay, at in detail. Okay, at in detail. Now try to understand. Let me segregate our business into different way. Okay, what are the things which we are going to see? Till now I have mentioned clothing only, right? So clothing part, okay, we have a men clothing, okay, we have a women clothing, am I right? And we have a kids clothing. Okay, again in men clothing we have what we have casuals, okay, casuals, okay, as well as we have a formals, okay, and we have ethnic wear. Am I right? Ethnic is nothing but a regularly when we are going to be functions or some festivals and other things, right? Which we are going to do that. And at the same time here also, you can see casuals, ethnic, and here women also, same thing which is going to happen. Kids also you are going to have, okay? Now try to understand, okay? Now you want these details, okay? You want these details. What you want details? I'm getting overall one store level. I'm getting, what is the profit I'm getting? Let's understand here. Okay, 50 lakhs I'm getting profit every month. Okay, every month. But what it is happening, right? In this internally, okay, men clothing, which is giving the business nothing but a overall profit, which I'm getting is, okay, which I'm getting 70 lakhs. Okay, 70 lakhs. Okay, 70 lakhs. But women clothing, which I'm getting profit is nothing but a here. Okay, here I'm getting, what is that? Okay, 50 lakhs. Okay, 50 lakhs profit. Okay, but in kids, okay, in kids, I'm getting profit loss. Okay, here loss. Okay, here loss, I'm getting around 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. Now, okay, what is the overall profit which I'm going to get? Okay, here, try to understand. Here, you are going to get overall profit is 1 crore. Am I right? 1 crore overall profit. But, okay, but what is the issue which you are going to see, guys? What is the issue which you are going to see? If I continue, I'm getting profits, but what is the next level of thing which you have to perform? You have to understand your business in detail. If you wanted to understand your business in detail, okay, whatever the data which you are getting from 20 stores, okay, the data which is available in the database, right? You have to go ahead and you have to analyze it. Okay, you have to analyze it. To do analysis, okay, what you have to do, you have to prepare the data. Are you with me? You have to prepare the data. Now, in this case, tell me, if I don't do it, this analysis, how much I'm going to lose every time? Okay, how much I'm going to lose every time? Guys, are you with me? How much I'm going to lose
20
every
lakhs.
time? 20 lakhs. Okay.
20 lakhs.
Instead of 20 lakhs profit, okay, instead of 20 lakhs, okay, what it is happening here, you got 1 lakh 1 crore 20 lakhs is the profit, but you are losing 20 lakh. Because of that, you are limiting yourself 1 crore. Now, can I shut down this business in my store? Guys, can I shut down this business in my store?
Yes, sir.
How? You can shut down. Okay. How did you come to this conclusion? Okay. This is nothing but you are performing the business intelligence. Okay. Business intelligence. Okay. How you are going to perform business intelligence? By arranging the data in a effective way. Are you with me? By arranging the data in a effective way. To do business intelligence, what you should have it. Okay. What you should have it, you have to arrange the data. You have to arrange the data in a right way. Are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me? Everyone.
Yes.
So in this case, how you are going to arrange it? Okay. What is the tools behind it? Why we need arranging? Why specifically it is required? Okay. Then what is the issue behind it? Why we need separate system for arranging the data? So generally, okay, if I take the business, right? Now, let me give you simple example, then you will understand in a easy way. Now try to understand here. Okay, try to understand here. Okay, let me give you a very simple example. Now you have a application here. Okay, now you have a application at store 1, store 2, okay, store 3. Okay, try to understand. Just assume that you have a applications at each store level. Okay, this is the application. Okay, here also application. Okay, I'm not getting into in-depth, just I'm giving a high level today. Okay, we'll talk about it further. Okay, we'll talk about it further in the classes. Okay, here you have an application. Now, if you have an application, what it has to be available behind the scenes? Tell me, guys, every application you have to have what you have to have, you have to have a database. Am I right? Everyone, you have to have a database. For example, even if you get into YouTube, even if you are getting into Google, your details going to store behind the scenes in where it is going to be available in the database. Are you with me? So if this application, you are storing information, the billing transaction information, everything you are storing in where? In the database. Okay, the database. Okay, now this database, okay, what it is going to hold? It is going to hold, okay, only transactional information, nothing but this particular database, which we can call it as a OLTP, online transactional processing systems. Are you with me? Are you with me? So now you can have a doubt. Okay, what is OLTP? What is the reason behind? Simply, if you are doing billing, right, then automatically the data going to store. Now try to understand. Able to see my my screen, Amazon wala? Guys, able to see my screen? Everyone, able to see my, here you can see, right? Amazon screen. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now you tell me this Amazon screen. Suppose if I can click on it. Okay, if I can click on it, let's understand computer mice. Okay, nothing but a mouse. Okay, if I can click on it, okay, what it is going to happen? What it is going to happen? Tell me. For example, if I purchase this, okay, let me choose one of the item. Okay, computers. Just take it up. Let's understand computers and tablets. Okay, now try to understand how the things will work. Let me take it up this one. Okay, now if I can take this, okay, what is the information which they are going to store? Okay, now if I can add to cart, okay, what is going to happen here? Basically, you are giving your information, right? What is the information which you are providing? Okay, what is the information which you are providing, guys? Generally, Amazon is nothing but the application, nothing but it's kind of, how you are, this application, right? Whatever I'm talking, this application, same similar kind of same application. This is also called B application. Okay. So simply, if you can add to both to cart, what is going to happen? Automatically, this particular details, what are the details which they are going to store it? Now you tell me, if you wanted to order a item, what are the details which you are providing to the Amazon? Any idea? I think everybody should have an idea. Can anybody tell me what are the details which we are going to provide? First is your name, okay, and as well as mobile number, okay, and your password. Guys, go on mute, please. Go on mute, please. Okay, so your password as well as you are going to provide your nothing but whatever you are purchasing, right? Order, product, okay, product name, product ID. These are the details which they are going to store it. Okay, who's going to store? Where this information which is going to come into picture. Okay, product ID, okay, discount, okay, if any discount are there, all those details which they are going to store. Now, Amazon want to understand their business. Yes, all detail about the product as well as your personal information as well as whatever you are purchased. Now, Amazon is having in India also available. Okay, US also it is available and UK also it is available across the countries which is available. Now they wanted to understand their business at overall organization level. Now you tell me, okay, for example, you tell me what I have to do. I have to go ahead and I have to take entire data from different countries data from here, okay, from here, and I'm going to arrange this also, nothing but from different countries. Consider it is a India, UK, USA. Okay, once you take this entire data, okay, once you take entire data, then you are going to keep it into staging area. Okay, then finally you are going to arrange the data in a effective way. Okay, effective way. This is nothing but a what we can call, this is nothing but a data warehouse. Okay. Nothing here, we can call it as a OLAP. Okay, OLAP. From on top of this data warehouse, okay, according to the business requirements, you are going to arrange the data. Then on top of this entire information you are collecting and aggregating the data, okay, according to the requirements, okay, you are going to arrange it here in an efficient way, okay, in the data warehouse. Now, once you arrange the efficient way, on top of it, we have a business intelligence tools. Okay, this is nothing but a whatever you are asking questions, right? Whatever you are asking, okay, at men's level, what is my profit? Okay, at women's level, what is my profit? At kids level, what is my profit? Okay, using this business intelligence tool, BI tools, okay, what we are going to do, we are going to report it, nothing but we are going to provide simple reports to the end user. Okay, so what do you mean by this entire thing? This is nothing but a ETL process. Okay, ETL. Okay, ETL stands for extraction. Okay, extraction, transformation. Okay, transformation. Okay, and finally loading. Okay, ETL stands for extraction, transformation, and loading. Okay, now from where you are extracting the data from OLTP systems. Okay, OLTP systems. Okay, from nothing but it's a kind of transactional databases you are extracting and you are keeping into staging area, and then you are transforming the data. Okay, nothing but here you are transforming. What do you mean by transformation? Simple, nothing but we can call it as a business requirements. Business will provide that requirements. Once they provide that requirements, right, then according to that you are going to transform it. Okay, now transform it, and finally you are loading into data warehouse. Now what do you mean by this particular thing? Now you tell me, okay, what is my role, sir? Okay, now you are telling ETL, now you are telling OLTP, data warehouse, BI, everything you are telling. Now, what is my role? Okay, who's going to do this particular activity? What are the tools and technologies is involved? Why it is involved? Okay, now try to understand. Okay, you have to extract the data, right? You have to extract the data from here to here. Am I right? Okay, from here to here, you are going to extract the data. Okay, who's going to do that? Okay, and from here to here, you are going to transform. So to do this particular activity, we are going to use the ETL tools. Okay, ETL tools. Okay, ETL tools. Okay, ETL tools. What do you mean by ETL tool? Okay, nothing but the ETL process, whatever it is doing, right? That particular tool, sorry, the ETL tool is nothing but it is going to grab the data from source and it is going to keep it into target. Okay, ETL tool is nothing but simply whatever you are doing, right? Through whatever you are transforming, loading, and everything, just you are going ahead and doing the automation. Simply you are performing the automation through what? ETL tool. What are the ETL tools are available? Okay, we have a multiple ETL tools. Okay, Informatica. Okay, and data stage. Okay, data stage, as well as we have a talent. Okay, talent. Okay, and talent, as well as we do have a SSIS. Okay, SSIS and ab initio. Okay, ab initio. Other than that, recent days, people are using ADF, Azure Data Factory. And if you are doing same thing with the big data, then you are using even Spark as well. Now, as part of our course, which one we are going to learn? Okay, we are going to learn the Informatica. Sir, I'm a tester, right? Why should I learn Informatica? Am I going to implement the workflow? No, you are not going to implement the workflow. You are just utilizing the workflow and you are going to run the workflow. To do that, what you have to know, you should have a knowledge on Informatica, not like a developer. Just you are going to run the workflow and you are going to validate the workflow. You are going to do the workflow. Now, when I'm explaining, right, I have told you this is the database, right? Here, database. Okay, here, database. Okay. Here also database. Okay. And here we have a SFTP or FTP. Okay. Nothing but a file system is available. File system. Okay. You are getting the extract in the form of SFTP or FTP. So the file system is CSV file or CSV file. Okay. Or it can be any text, any Excel file as well. Okay. Excel file. Now, sir, okay, I'm a tester, right? What are the things which I need to learn? Here also, this is a database. Are you with me? This is also database. Now here, this is the data warehousing. Okay. This is the data warehousing. So once you have these files, right? Now, should you learn the database? Guys, do we need to learn database? Am I right? Everyone.
Yes.
We have to learn database, right? Everyone, I want everybody to be responded. Guys, say yes or no in the chat. I wanted to see 14 members. It's not ordering, it's a request, which I'm doing it. Okay. So that I'll understand whether you are in class or not. Okay. Great to hear. Okay. Now, if you see here, right? Okay. Now, if you understand, right, here you are going ahead and you are going to learn the database. Here also learn the database. And here you have a SFTP, FTP. Nothing but here you are going ahead and you are using the CSV file and nothing but a data file. Now, if you wanted to understand, it is your duty. Who's going to implement this? Developer is going to implement it. But you are a tester role, right? You are going ahead and doing that. Now, what is your duty? You are going to validate it from source versus target. You are going to validate it source from target. Now, if you are doing that, what you should know here, this is the source database and here also database. Now, being a tester, should you learn the database? Guys, you should
Yes,
know
sir.
the database, right? Okay,
Yes.
now here what we are going to teach you, Oracle database, which we are going to teach you, Oracle DB. Okay, now here one more scenario, one more thing is available. What is this, sir? Okay, what do you mean by this? Okay, CSV and Excel. In real time, CSV files and data files, how it is going to come? Are we going to see in Windows in the real time? Generally, if you are going with the files in file system in the servers, right? Okay, Windows is not a multi-user system. At a time, you cannot use more than one person. Okay, but when it comes to Unix or Linux, we can use it. That is the reason. And moreover, Unix is very reliable in terms of what we can say in terms of system perspective. Okay, and it is very reliable and as well as the performance also very good. That is the reason people use for storing the servers and other things which people use Unix servers. So what we have to learn, if you wanted to read the CSV file, flat file, what you have to do? You have to learn the what you have to learn? You have to learn the Unix. Am I right? Am I right, guys? So how many things which we have to learn as part of this course till now? Guys, Informatica Power Center, not like a developer. This is like a easy, don't worry. And Oracle, and as well as Unix. Now, what you have to learn? Now you are preparing the data warehouse. Okay, now you are preparing the data warehouse. And now you are testing this data warehouse, this process, entire process, you are testing it out. Now, what you should know? You should know, okay, what you should know data warehousing concepts. Okay, first of all, what is data warehouse? What is OLTP? What is OLAP? Okay, and what is internally it is happening, how it is going to happen, how you are arranging the data, what is the architecture of data warehouse. These things you should know. So to do that, what you have to learn? You have to learn the data warehousing concepts. Are you clear? Data warehousing concepts. Now, next thing is, being a tester, you should know how to test it. Okay, how to test it. Okay, then what we are going to teach you? Okay, we go ahead and we'll teach you how to test from end to end. Okay, nothing but a testing techniques which we are going to give you. Okay, testing also we teach you. Next thing is, okay, boss, everything is fine now. You have given what are the things which you have to learn. Okay, in real time, tell me how it is going to work. Okay, in real time, what are the things, how the requirements come first? You given while we are building the application. Okay, you mentioned you are going to connect from project management, and project management is going to connect with business, and they are going to get the requirements. But being a tester, okay, what is my role in the when I'm working with certain specific methodology? Okay, so how the work start, how I have to do, what I have to do. These things you should understand. To do that, what we have to explain? We have to explain about the agile methodology as part of ETL testing. Are you with me? Are you with me? So these are the things which you have to learn. Okay, these are the things which you have to learn. Are you clear? Are you clear? Are you clear, everyone? Are you clear? So now you tell me, okay, so ETL tool is Informatica. Let me write it up in different color, then it will be easy. Okay. ETL tool is Informatica. Okay, ETL tool, Informatica. Okay, now other than that, database is Oracle 11G. Okay, Oracle, which we are going to teach you, Oracle, and Unix also we teach you. Okay, and then data warehousing concepts. Okay, and then testing techniques, nothing but how you are going to do testing. Okay, testing techniques. Okay, now agile methodology. Okay, agile methodology. Don't confuse about this particular thing. When I say Oracle DB, okay, let's not confuse yourself. Oracle is something else. Okay, nothing but we are going to teach you SQL. Okay, SQL, structure query language, which we are going to teach you. Okay, now tell me, sir, how many days which you are going to teach each one? Okay, dedicatedly SQL 30 days which we are going to teach you. Okay, 30 days which we are going to teach you. Unix which we are going to teach you is 5 days which we are going to teach you. Okay, and the data warehousing concepts which we are going to teach you. Okay, another 5 days. Okay, another 5 days. Now through ETL Informatica, ETL tool, what we are going to do, okay, here we are going ahead and we are going to do the nothing but a certain days. Okay, like ETL tool Informatica certain days, which we are going to teach you from testing techniques, agile methodology, everything we teach you 20 days. 20 days. Are you clear, everyone? Are you clear? Are you clear, everyone? So the 60 days which will go to like this. Okay. Anybody have any questions? I'm open to it. And very, very important thing is, what are the additional things which we can offer you as part of our course compared to outsiders? Okay. The major thing which I can assist you is, okay, interview preparation. Okay. Interview preparation part. I can provide you. Okay. Tell me about yourself as well. Okay. Tell me about yourself. Okay. With different ways. Okay. Multiple ways I can provide you. And other than that, okay, what I can assist you is, suppose if you are attending the interview and you got the questions, okay, generally trainers won't us, okay, they want you to be dependent on them, okay, they won't provide the interview questions. So here we provide the interview questions as well. Okay, are you with me? Are you with me, guys? Interview questions we provide, and we'll take the mock interviews. Okay, we'll take the mock interviews per person. Okay, 2 mock interviews which is going to happen. But you have to let me know a week beforehand. Okay, other than that, what I can offer you, okay, so very, very important thing is, okay, we provide the those things, whatever I'm teaching you, I'm going to provide the material as well, soft copy, don't worry about it. That is going to be happening. Okay, and those and all, it's part of the course. So these are the additional things which I can offer you. Anybody have any doubts? I'm open to it. Let me stop the recording. Okay, then we'll take the